Welcome to the world of electrohydrodynamic printing, or EHD for short, an advanced technology pushing the boundaries of micromanufacturing. So how does it all work? EHD printing utilizes electrical forces to draw femtoliters of droplets from a nozzle. This enables manufacturing of features with over 20 times the resolution of traditional inkjet and makes the deposition of high viscosity inks possible. EHD enables the production of features smaller than a red blood cell while being completely contactless, making it possible to print on advanced topography. EHD is compatible with various materials, such as metals, polymers, or even biomaterials, and consumes much less material, reducing waste. Together with Scrona, Notion Systems has launched a one-of-its-kind EHD tool, namely the NJet EHD, which addresses the scalability challenges that has long hindered EHD technology. Scrona has developed a multi-nozzle MEMS printhead approach to EHD, which ensures that EHD printing can meet the rigorous demands of high-volume manufacturing, making it a viable solution for industries such as consumer electronics, defense, and life sciences. Starting from 8 fully digital and independent nozzles, Scrona aims to iteratively bring the scalability of its EHD printheads closer and closer to the throughput of traditional inkjet, with the goal being implementing of over 1,000 nozzles in the near future. EHD printing is more than a process. It's a revolution, bringing them possible within reach, one droplet at a time. Contact us for more information or visit us in Schwetzingen, Germany for a live demo. And thank you so much for watching.